Welcome to the video training series. My name is Carl and today we're going to look at blogs. Now blogs are a very important part of keeping in touch with your customers, and also search engines absolutely love them. So blog is a good thing. The only downside with blogs is that you do have to maintain them. You do have to constantly write new material for it to be effective. Firstly, at this point you do need to install our blogging system. Once that is installed, you then go to content. Now here I've got a page called Video Training News, and I'm going to convert this one to a blog. So if I right click on the page, I go convert to blog. Author's name, okay, so I'm going to say me, Carl Blogs. Author's ID, Carl Blogs, and go OK. Now you notice here this does say lowercase and no spaces. This is your unique identifier for this particular blog. We go OK. Okay, now it's asking if we'd like to create a blog key. Now a blog key can actually be sent to other users. For instance, if you had your website installed on your computer, you had other staff members or other friends who you wanted to contribute on the blog, you can get them to download the blogging program and issue them a key. So we'll just go yes on that. Okay, so I'm going to save it into my blog keys and go save and go OK. Okay, you'll notice this one now, it says this page is for a blog, and I actually can't go in there and edit it within the content editor. Now the next step that we must take is right click and go to blog properties. Now we select that. Now we have a little section here about the author. I'll just copy some text over. Now this is important. You can actually use your keywords in here to be more search engine friendly. Next section down here is advertisements. Now in the advertisements, for instance, you may want to have a Google advertisement in here, like a Google AdSense, or you can actually place an image in here, import an image. So add new image, and that could be an image about, for instance, a store item of yours. So you bring the image in and then you actually add the text and links within the system here. Okay, so once that's done, just go done. At this point we need to synchronize our content. Okay, and I'll just minimize that for a moment. Then we can open our complete blog, double click. Then we go to File, Import Blog Key. There it is. Okay, I've actually already put this one in before, but that would open the blog key for you. Okay, now we select our blog, then we go New. Okay, so the title in this one will be Joe Blogs. Now in here is the keywords that you want to be found for. So I'm just going to say Joe Blogs. Now this is important for searchability on your website as well as for search engines. So if your story, for instance, has top tips for Google, you actually do need to use that as a tag, so when people come to your blog they can search previous blogs that you've written about that article, and then you select OK. Okay, so now we'll just add some text. And we've got two selections here. We've got insert a text box, insert image. I'll just go insert text box. Now with the text box you can resize it. I'm going to make this one a little bit wider, narrower, and you can drag the size. Okay, so there's our text. Now I'll just insert an image. So insert image. can resize your images within here. Just make a medium one and go save, and there's an image. Okay, so there's a preview of what your blog will look like on here. Now at any stage you can actually make your blog live and then go back and edit it if it's not quite right on the website. Okay, and here you can also put in links. So if I highlight those words there, for instance, and right click, I can go bold, italics, text border, alt text, insert hyperlink, that type of thing. And you can also layer, you can bring to the front, which means you can have text going over an image. Now at this point we save and then we synchronize. Okay, now we'll go back to the website. Okay, and just refresh the page there. And there we go. There's our first blog. Now, as I said before, we did disable comments. So if people do want to make a comment, they click here. And they give you their name and their email, which are required but won't be published on the web. And then they can enter their information from here. Now, we do have a spamming code which people do have to enter, which stops automated spammers. But if your blog is completely open, it doesn't stop your average idiot jumping on and doing whatever they like to your website. Now, if somebody does make a comment on your website that you're not happy with, under comments, once people make a comment, it will appear under here. You can actually delete those. Okay, that concludes this video training, and thank you very much for watching.